While it can be tempting to sell your house on your own, it's really not worth the headache. Here are a few reasons to work with a real estate professional today. 1. A professional like me follows the latest housing market trends. Industry expertise is important, especially in a shifting market. I can help you understand what's happening right now and what that means when you're ready to sell. And 2, professional helps you maximize your pool of buyers. Buyer demand has slowed as the mortgage rates have been rising, but I'll make sure that your house gets in front of as many eager buyers as possible. And 3, a professional is a skilled negotiator. Because demand has eased and inventory has increased, this year buyers have more negotiating power, and you need someone who will advocate for you and handle the conversations about repairs, closing costs, inspections, and more. Let's face it, if you're going to sell, you don't have to do it alone. And let's be honest, you don't want to. Let's connect. Feel free to text me, email me, or call me, and we'll create a strategy session where we can discuss how we can best help you get to your next move. Thank you very much.